How to set up Indeed profile. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open the Indeed job search app on your device. If you do not have this application, you can head over to Play Store or App Store to download this app. Once you open it, you will have to sign into your account. If you do not have an account, click on the option of Create an Account. Then here you will have to enter your email address, then tap on the continue option, or you can also tap on the option of continue with Google. Then enter all the credentials of your Google account. Once you do that, you will be signed into your account. Now you want to tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. From there, tap on the profile option. Now from here you can add a CV. You can tap on the upload CV option if you have already made a CV. If you haven't, tap on the build an Indeed CV option. Then from here you will have to enter some of your details. Enter all the details that is required over here. Then after, to improve your job matches, you want to add details such as qualifications. Here you can add most recent work experience, education skill, license, certification and languages. You can also select your job preferences. From here you can add your job title, job type, work schedule, pay and much more. Once you enter all these details, your profile will be ready and now you can search for your preferred job. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.